Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another C tutorial. Today we're going to be learning how to read input from standard input using scanf. So let's get going. So I'm just going to read in some random number, um, some number that I tell the user to input. Okay, so we have this same way we would print a number, except we use the address of the variable. So this is some location in memory, which will be, for now, it'll probably be all zeros or something like that. And it'll be 8 bits long, but that's not really that important. You'll probably learn about that later on in computer science. Anyway, so scanf reads the input from the console that you provide into the address of n, and then we print n. So I'll just run it and show you what it looks like. So then I press 3 and press enter, and it prints out 3. So we might just do some printing just to make it more obvious what's going on. So I'm going to do 1, and then it prints out 1. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope that helps.